Strongly bullish NGL stock. NGL Energy Partners LP has been printing 52-week highs since the last 3 trading sessions. Today it gained 2.96%, a modest increase, or on above average volume of 1.3 million shares. The price also reached this new 52-week high of $4.25. This exceeded the previous high of $4.22 by 0.03, and it is 325% above the 52-week low of $1. So the stock is up 35% since the last 1 month, up 268.18% since the last 6 months, up 139.64% since the last 1 year. And like I pointed out earlier, it is above its 52-week low of $1 by 325%. So the stock is strongly bullish and extended and rallying. We have been seeing a demand to cover this stock from 2 different viewers of this channel, and we saw that of late, as of 11 about last week or thereabout, close to 2 weeks ago, it got upgrades from Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo upgraded the stock to overweight, to equal weight from underweight, price target of $4 from $2, and a couple of other things there, so we can see on this chart that this is a 1 minute live chart, so this is what's going on right now. The market has closed for today, the 16th, for the week. So the next trading session will be on the 19th. So let's look at the daily chart, and you see the same thing we were looking at over there. So this is the chart of the stock. It's it started to rally. Started to rally, I would say sometime in December. Kicked off, reached got the rejection at $3.8, and retraced, got a support somewhere around one of these moving averages. One of these moving averages, I can't exactly say which one it was. Maybe it's I'm suspecting it is a 20-day moving average, somewhere around there. But it moved sideways and got a higher high. At least that high, this pivot it had, which was on the 4th of Thursday, the 4th of May. That was where everything began to take a new direction to where it is at right now. So we have an upper projection of $4.5 on the daily chart. So it is right on one of its Fibonacci projection of 4.17. This is where it closed. The market has closed now, but there are downward projections: $3.8 and 3.56, 3.35, 3.21, 3.08, 2.92, and all the way down to 1.91. Let's see whether we have further projections on its weekly chart, if there's any projection there. There is a projection there for 5.28. We have 5.28 on its weekly chart. So let's look at the 1 month chart. 1 month chart. We have yet more ambitious projections. We have 4.91, which is above a premium to the target of $4 from Wells Fargo. 6.22, 7.35, 9.04, 11.29, and all the way towards 17.48. So the algos are projecting that it has a potential to get to this sort of levels, but it's not granted. It's not granted. So some veterans are saying that there is some rotation going on right now, and it is stocks like the small and mid cap stocks that are seeing a huge amount of interest from various market participants in it, and it is the sort of I would say out of around 16,000 shares, 16,000 stocks trading in the US right now, around 60% of them are trending. And obviously you can see that this is most certainly one of them. This is most certainly one of those stocks that are trending. and 60% of 16,000. This is what market participants, this is what the algos are reading, and they keep on piling money into stocks like NGL and keep on piling money into S&P 500 futures. Of course, when they pile money into NGL stocks, small and medium cap stocks, the S&P 500 basin of stocks, it keeps on expanding. There's a rotation going on right now. The Fed is normalizing. It's going away from the era of 0% interest rates. It is normalizing, and trust me, people are still going to buy homes in the US. They'll still buy homes at 7 to 8%. Some decades ago, about 30 years ago, in the 1980s, Paul Volcker was in charge of the Fed, and interest rates were around 18%, 13%. People were buying homes and they did not die. So this is a normalization of what's going on. And some people thought it's going to be doom and gloom. Interest rate, are you crazy? 7% mortgage, 7% and all that stuff. 18, but people have been paying 18% on their credit card. Some people are paying 33% on their credit cards. They when they see those things, they'll say, why not? I can pay 7% on a car. I can pay 7% on a mortgage. I can, so all of these are spilling in. They're not. Some people are speculating that there's going to be a recession. There's going to be a crash. But the fact is, actually, some of the market participants prefer, a situation where the Fed is not interfering in the markets. That is what we are seeing right now. They are trying to get away from babysitting the markets and other stuff. So a lot of rotation is going on right now, and it's obviously it is stocks like NGL Energy Partners and indeed the 60 other percent of the broader market that are behind this rally we are looking at right now. So on this daily chart, on this 1 month chart, we have on this 1 minute chart at least, we have a projection of all the way towards $4.27 at least. This is to a great extent modest, and indeed, of course, you saw on the 1 month chart the projections were all the way towards even, I think, $11 or thereabouts. So I'll continue to update you concerning NGL and see what you make of it, and thank you very much for watching this video.